And now that we've taken off all the strings, it's time to give it a good cleaning. That'll be the good time to do it since we don't have any strings on it. So what I like to use is this System 65 maintenance kit. And we're gonna apply all these to the guitar before we put the new strings on. Okay, so now that we cleaned the board, then we're going to apply some deep conditioning to it. Okay, one last thing to add to the body. Now that it's all been wiped down, even the fretboard, now we're going to use this guitar polishing cleaner on the body. Okay, there it is, all cleaned. I'm ready to put the strings on there, but overall, the cleaners did a good job. See that? Looks like brand new now. So I'm about to put the strings on there. And yeah, if you're interested, this is what I used right there.